Good day and welcome to the Madiba official channel. This is your most authoritative and authentic YouTube channel that keeps you updated with the latest standard of events. All that you have to do is to subscribe and like the show. As you are subscribing, then you please share the video so that your friends and colleagues will have some of the video to watch it. We promise to bring you the best around the world of sports. Thank you. Mesha se na mehwe ensem a papa efe ne se ana se Joachim Löw ebeka efa Marc-Andre ter Stegen ene Manuel Neuer. Also these are two goalkeepers in the past years they've been spared and splendid for their clubs of Msia kan de momo. Looking at Manuel Neuer in the days at Schalke 04 obe PM or Bayern Munich ene nemo the Bayern Munich team aye Erubebi Kwana or a player no contested for the best player in the world as a goalkeeper, ever finishing third or one more. It also about any class what you show down the years. Marc-Andre ter Stegen recent years, so for the past 2 or 3 years, Ogo Pim or Spainer, Untimi Embo 2 goalkeepers, obeying the area film, he has been consistent, he has been winning points for both and Barcelona. And so your coach now was set goalkeepers all folder. You have to know how to organize, how to play them. And it was unfortunate, sir. Bayern Munich form paying for because say idea by Germany coach Joachim Löw decided say more Manuel Neuer not about Marc-Andre ter Stegen enter them better call all their players from the national team. It was quite unfortunate because back I be to Spain a man of Spain Iker Casillas Fernandez no fini prime not the form ever form no more a young David Villa Quintana non form also but how to manage that transition no na play with Nafi winia or the coach Joachim Löw and also a man of himself anyone decided to say or Bowie against Estonia no Bowie against my friends that you no put your foot on the ground decide whether you can say man no any of first choice mobiasing na say no matter what no you are banking on the captain so on no matter the format the second be no what they are going on for Manuel because of the leadership qualities. Number 2, covering longevity with the national team. And then what national team 20 now call with Manuel Neuer. No be a team who not buy me for enter FM normal coach enter me and taking this show make my German national team no. As I go back to the pinnacle of world football because Germany there your national team for competing in the highest level of international football. Rivaldo, Victor Boba Ferreira. Or saying call a Barcelona coach FS and Ernesto Valverde Tejeda anchor the game against FC Sevilla and Yadan Kobo Abrante Leo Messi or rest Abrante because a fully fit Leo Messi is about 50% of FC Barcelona team no. And Ubabisa will say where is he coming from? This a player for the whole of this season prior to the match against International Milano. Now Leo Messi earned more than 15 minutes in a game and almost 15 minutes in a game. The first start of team Enyama Barcelona team finish the game was against Inter Milano. Our team Ede Kojo Samuel Cole School Akrano. So game the only game Abrante Leo Messi 18 ball 90 minutes. And they Abrante ever back into a game of this magnitude. FC Sevilla team Julien Lopetegui Agote what drill almost very well. They defend very well. Or more knew how to make the tackles. Maybe go into the game deeply and I say maybe go into it very well but make a Rivaldo Assemble. A game I was say Otimi arresting because all the Leo Messi Echo just game net or sound aqua gravitating injury bioma one Uyi Barcelona team the best represent and out to change to be very NTN Semna Papa FN said Rivaldo Eka this a legend of the football he has played football to the highest level and now Rivaldo the carrier so he played more than 40 years Lord as ACK Edema in the class size we see on Africa Echo PM all the way Greece na no see on every PM only and today's a player that is a journeyman he has seen it all what we prolonging the career now it tells you and I'm all here to prolonging the career to 2 Valverde for always obey team etie na why Ediama Barcelona ombo kono for me room into the games my mention say that derby the Italian derby Inter Milan against Juventus. These are two teams in recent years now Obeka Juventus some other sort maybe a okay on be third fourth FIFA no Obeka Bo Kwefen said Inter Milan area count but after the appointment of Antonio Conte na adia ani je ni bibia our Inter Milan camp supporters obia no e was soro and na ben e ka di sebe bepe Marota this a man ono ene ka ma Juventus and in recent years almost dominated the Italian Serie A o fiom ojai na kola FNC Fabio Paratici e was just the sporting director and so the transfer market number is ekwa Bebe Morata e uni se e adia Fabio Paratici e be se oya adia ma Inter Milan fo a kire ominti na mra mo e pe din jeku so be si akara on bo ko no na adia na yeso ma fo e wa hian because normally financial fair play no na na enko e fo ominti no e pe so ominti balance on books no so o mo ton edin jeku so Juventus for e kom mo edi Leonardo Spinazzola e kom mo e Lorenzo Pellegrini e ma no ominti balance on books so mo anti Anton edin jeku anfa ma o Inter Milan. Number 2, no more essence normally Lukaku. Juventus for him pass some here Lukaku. Some of them want some air panel. Saturday is can everything akosoro. Ni na can phone every we no. Now the master and Abu the apprentice. Baby Marota. We team are offloading the players and oyin no. Talk of Raja and Golan the Ninja. O in every team Ednekoi. Talk of Mauro Icardi on Ekoi. Ivan Perisic or the Eko by Munich. And our players no no. Otimi eye good and strategic signings up and the moment Inter Milan team let me do a be omo no omo are winning their first 6 games their best since 1966 and now they are Inter Milan winning their first 6 games in the Italian Serie A area twaso and to win Neymar Bebe Morata edit this Inter Milan team was out appointee Papa first Antonio Conte no and owns a win on its own. And over Inter Milan team this time around, before the season, Becca said there's one man also be a Coreno or Italy this season, and that's Stefano Sensi. And I better not prove the reason why I'm here can no. This a man now Oko PM or Inter Milan. In those 6 games, we see a kind of Inter Milan. No, watch out some 3 goals. I provided 2 assists. On my Inter Milan team, air take who goes essential. How he control the midfield. A player with just 24 years of age, they will control the midfield. I will say, Inter Milan for a year should sign in Abrante just 35 million pounds sterling. And I'm signing this Sassuolo, and Sassuolo is one of the teams that in recent years in Italy, or more producing talent upon talents, or more the Matteo Politano, Edma Bobo Kwefe Inter Milan last season, or more our brother Domenico Berardi, or not all move forward, my brother goals upon goals at Emomo. And it's one sense Inter Milan or this side at Abba almost says Nicola Barella about this round or the Inter Milan airball gamer you could see some 8 me dominating midfield now go some 8 me and concede and Marcelo Brozovic and Luciano Spalletti or turning from an offensive midfielder to a deep line playmaker and they are better air shielded the defensive backline of
Madiba women come on somewhere now meaning come up on academic and natural sports. To us way and so we know you have
yeah kakra bi na you represent same eofi na pass am be can two Inter Milan team Marcelo Brozovic playing at the deep line playmaker now share the backline of Diego Godin Milan Skriniar and Stefan De Vrij. It tells you say Inter Milan for a shot at the back and a game Juventus ebe Nyamrelan Pjanic or side game because this is a player that will start the attack of Boca Juventus and over any days know about the register Edema Papa Fernandez and Massimiliano Allegri. The time I know the ball got just wide, no, but this time around, or the ball echo all angles, interpreting and more responsibilities, Ediche and Canena, no about under Papa Fernandez and Massimiliano Allegri. And this is a game, it has everything. We have been the 2 coaches, 2017, Emrana Sarri air coach Edema Napoli. You be saying about Juventus. Or see and twice because this idea will be source because on the Juventus team there on coach best fast forward and 2 years later a coach Edema Juventus. Antonio Conte when him said last month now Inter Milan for unveiling of their jerseys no. And Inter supporters air to nyumbi say wow we be no Juventus supporter because papa one man will di Juventus team ready for some 17 years or was a player from 1991 2004 or also a coach from 2011 2014 he tells you say the black and everything black and white and the players on the field of play Cristiano Ronaldo of course Italy wachira kakra be Brighton enye the key Italian football by storm on the field of play. Lukaku every Boca United ever Boko ever Inter Milan. The games to about them in some 6 games. Watch out 3 goals at the moment. This is the time where was standing up, every man the team, and the days at United will be a on a big game player. When a drew big games are, you don't see a Brighton fan say Lukaku. But this time around, a Brighton fan say Lukaku ego PM Oboko fan say Inter Milano. The first big game in the Derby La Madonnina, or to me a banging in a goal. And they all a Brighton fan say Lukaku. This is the time also to step up. Not HSA. Obey me a banging in the goals. And I'm in Inter Milan and every day. For me, me call them a Boca fan Inter Milan so make me pick at least 3 points after this game. Moving on to the Spanish Premier Division. Barcelona at Nefie El Camp Nou. Now neighbor fan say Sevilla Eddie Aboni. This is Sevilla team. Last season, now Bia Eka say Omo a project on some education. A bet to me, I heard the results and to me with some Benyada Muina team Ekoye. Pablo Sarabia, who was involved in double figure in terms of goals and assists. A Brighton Fiogo PM or PAG. This time around, Omo Sanz has started a new project under former Real Madrid coach Julian Lopetegui Agote. Or by when the center back pair of Messiaka and Nia, Jules Conde. Or Diego Carlos. Jules Conde and Diego Carlos are 2 players. This time it's me free friendly and be PM or Spain Siaka and Sevilla. Sergio Reguilon last season no Siaka and Real Madrid. To another new player Siaka and this Sevilla team. We play with Shadow on backline and Fernando Reyes. Fernando Reyes at Man City Bocono. No Shadow City backline very well. This time around Fernando Reyes other go PM or Sevilla or Bonnie Juan Jordan and so and they is one player in the Spanish league among any and so but Brighton them away Edema Eba they control the midfield player that can play from the offensive midfield position, a player that can play from the defensive midfield position. All the positions are made for the Brighton team, all the attacking positions and the central midfield positions. And the whole team all Sevilla team. The Sevilla ever possess a lot of strength. Edema, Boca and Barcelona. Despite the fact that Barcelona at Nefia, even without Leo Messi, Omo winning almost 3 games, Omo Fiero, Omo elbow against Real Betis, winning by 5 goals to Omo share Valencia by 5 goals to ever share BRL by 2 goals to 1. But the problem Barcelona ever going on to this season is where all the big games Barcelona ever is around now. Nina Afie and the ball defender Sevilla. Barcelona fie, BRL ever fie, Real Betis ever fie. Ombo against Real Madrid ever fie. Tito say when the league turns, Barcelona open, they have to start picking up the points and start winning the games. And where another Valverde pressure corner so in recent matches, so upon me and picking the points and Maboka and Barcelona. And they are Papano at me, I say the team here, and really against Boko and fan side, Ogo PMO away all her tefe, Collection of Feno Perez. Pepe but the last 18, Echo winning by 2 goals to 0. Essence Etuazo, Echo PM all against Inter Milan. And winning another games by 2 goals to 1. This time around on this Sevilla, it's a game, a burden, but with Leo Messi, they coming back into this team now. Barcelona will be able to pick the maximum points on Real Madrid, elbow against Granada team. On the book and everything, Bianca Real Madrid is our favorite, and this shouldn't be a game. Real Madrid everything has struggled to get the points, but this is a Real Madrid team. I don't know what you are getting from them. Real Madrid and they unbox wonderful football. No about against Real Valladolid. No matter if you about draw against Club Brugge. No about draw Ewanmo. Tinebrama is at Nefia. Won't be a share any. Ombo is here. Another team so at this round almost pick up the points. I'm the second in La Liga. Only 1 point. The Real Madrid another team this time around. And they Eden Hazard over 120 million euros. If Chelsea pay or Real Madrid. Onyama Remandre a game and obia a nimse around a team ever moment. And this a player Obano, not Zidane Ewantos own mu, Didio mu, say Koma Gareth Bale Ako, or my James Rodriguez Ako because no believe say Hazard able to carry man the team Edison Betty. Now the days of Ronaldo no, abandon those things, abandon by team any and a game also Brighton team rejuvenating the kind of Real Madrid. There are a lot of players. I got a Brighton I can say and to on team and give it out the best ever Real Madrid. Baba Kaya and Bra Papa fan is a Ferenc Puskas, the galloping major, all free. But my friend hungry. I will PM or Real Madrid no. Now pan Esopan, then find a pancho. As will be also in Spanish. General Efre Ferenc Puskas and become PMO El Eli. I go did some 3 years or mobile BI. And so we PM or Real Madrid every second share some 200 goals and my Real Madrid team. The hazard, the physical and everything, and share any player and even a man of Puskas ever Real Madrid. Nobody 31 years. And he has at just some 28 years. And the age and everything on his side. He needs a game, a good game, no team Eddie. Up revitalizing the career and everything on Real Madrid. Eddie are building up the confidence and everything. Because this is a player or Real Madrid, not even a single goal, not even a single assist for a player of the caliber in more than 5 games of power. And now they are also Real Madrid for almost 18 years or so. In a game, has an F1 chair. Real Madrid supporters and say, I bet ready. And Alphonse Areola else ever step in Eddie Amatibo Couture in recent days and recent months were coming into the fancy media. I'll be a bashing no send more and conquer and Tinero Areola ever into this game no or be even in the outside of Couture no or waiting a joining put some other star and so on to me and no more or waiting me out to Brandon in the free man go post him. Sanavas ego Pimo PG or not know the first choice Edema PG. And so Navas but almost equally good goalkeeper. And in La Liga no, Obesia can my BR actually quality or BR on team in Tinei. Remember equally good goalkeeper and Alphonse Areola. So this will be a wonderful game. Who go pure La Liga? Only 2 teams per and I share more goals every Canada. And that's Barcelona and BR. BR actually 18 goals. Barcelona actually 16 goals. And about Granada actually 13. Remember actually just 12 goals. La Liga. It tells Real Madrid, was my Real Madrid defense. Got some 3 games in La Liga. Concede goal. The Real Madrid in La Liga. Confidence and everything else. And Zidane, a piece of Real Madrid. They be the trophy papers of La Liga because La Liga had the bread and butter. Team B and O League, they also to me. I can't think of Europe. Team the Real Madrid La Liga. Not Champions Woman team and yeah, I think that Zidane will be happy. So this will be a very entertaining game to watch. And I don't mind about 2 o'clock power.
Okay,